Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Treasure Island. Hope Helen gets me now. Welcome to Treasure Island. Here are the tram hours. It's actually open today.
Yeah, it's never open.
No, every time we've done a TI or Mirage video, it's not been open. So, kind of excited.
Yeah, we'll get to finally see what it looks like inside. I swear this tram is never like open.
There's $10. All items are $10 in that store. I think you should get a hat like that.
What?
Hawaiian
I'll pass.
one. No? Alright.
Where do you think that door goes?
To the pirate's dungeon.
I didn't fall.
A lot of stickers. Oh, what do we call it? Starbucks? In my last video?
I don't know.
Yeah. So there's restrooms down here. Oh, the pool's out here.
Why is it blurry?
Pool, cabana, and an island pub. Fancy. Can we take a video of this one? Can we take a video of it? Oh, alright.
Okie dokie. Oh, that's the only bit of the pool you get is the tram.
Right?
Oh well. They sell buckets of beers at the coffee shop.
They do? Oh, 4 for $20. There's where their Circus Soleil show is.
Yep.
Gosh, I get dizzy. Did you see the flip up there?
Hey, that's how you have fun.
Flipping around.
Yep.
There's a little
Antique shop.
antique souvenir shop for Mr.
Here's
Francisco's Pizzeria. They have buckets of beers too.
you know what?
In there.
You can go to a hospital in Vegas and they have buckets of beer. Ooh.
Ooh. Now look.
Yeah, they're all expensive.
Look at Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Why is it so bad in here?
I don't know. There's perfume. Some more yogurt.
Same yogurt please. You just saw that. Oh, should we do it already?
Nope.
No flour?
Denied.
Oh,
The bigger the slot world is, the louder you have to scream it.
oh yeah?
Yep. So like right there, you'd be like,
What about here? I'd be like, sports club. Ooh, black leather couch. Fancy.
it looks like slimy.
Oh, it says Golden Circle Sports Bar. I don't think that's their sports club.
Okay, I was about to say. What?
This is bigger?
Oh, it's just buffalo. I thought you saw Timberwolf.
I don't
Floor
like the smell in
levels.
here. I don't like it at all.
Oh, you love it.
No, I don't.
You absolutely love it.
No, I think they're out of air freshener.
Yep. Oh, there's Phil's Italian Steakhouse.
We've been there. Yummy.
They got
See?
a little section. Oh no, that's actually pretty. Okay. It looks little.
I think there's a cafe.
Oh, we should eat there if we can. Because the mirror has the pool. The window.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, look. It's the pool. Coffee shop. Oh, is that what that place is? Huh. It's a pretty big coffee shop.
Right? You wanna go down this way?
Sure, why not?
Oh, it's a lobby and the ballet. Oh, it's super bright in here.
Yep. Oh,
Let's get in here. There's a little view of the pool since they won't let us out there.
what is this? Got the build-us, guest services. Not really that good at showing.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Alright, valet, bus loading, taxi stand, airport shuttle, baggage assistance. And this is right off of this strip. They have their own drive that you just pull around and then they help you.
Yep. Here's a little shop. I don't know what they. Oh, it's the lobby store. It's not 24 hours, I guess.
Sex in the City, video slash. That's the whole. It's all based off Sex in the City.
Huh. There's the best lollipops here. Best.
And then there's Gillies.
Yep.
Looks like they have digital roulette over there. That's a big firework thing. Really fast. Oh, I like this one. So there's like a dealer slash, so one of the dealers on this side is doing the roulette ball, and then the one on this side is doing the cards. It's poker or something, because there's like more than, I don't know, I don't understand it, but
It's okay, Mo.
anyway.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like digital dealer, but not really.
There's Gilly's trading post.
Yeah.
Cashier.
Monsieur Madness.
I think that's a like picture spot.
It's crazy.
Oh. Nice.
There's the motorcycle.
The sickle motor.
Metropolitan Chopper built it. Kind of cool looking. You don't like it?
Nope.
Look at the art up top.
Yeah, must be cold.
Sirens Cove. So Sirens used to be the Treasure Island boat show that they had. They call it Sirens of TA. Senior frogs.
Yep.
I hear they have like bikini contests, dancing contests. Yeah, right here. You can win $1,000 every Thursday.
Huh. And they have butts on the ceiling.
So 2 for 1 all day long. Bikini contest.
Buffalo Bill Max.
Yep.
I would see Buffalo, but it deserves a bill. Here's their sports book.
This is the CBS that took over where the pirate show used to be. So thanks for CBS. Thanks for ruining our fun. No, it was a cool free show. You remember it?
Barely.
On spring break.
There's a lot of people.
There were a lot, and you were so high. Remember, like
Those aren't those bad of prices.
$2.50 for a 2-liter.
Yeah.
You can come to CBS and sell the Vegas memorabilia too.
Yep.
Everywhere sells it, pretty much.
Yep.
Welcome to CBS. Just kidding.
See, they got me.
Do they have Colin?
Got Craig.
Okay.
They have Colleen.
Nope.
Hey, don't touch those.
No flop.
I know.
They have alcohol in here. Anyone wonder what our drugstores look like?
We have just a bunch of alcohol.
Yeah, you can buy hard alcohol anywhere.
Yep. You freaking. You go to Kroger's alcohol.
Well, you know, like in Ohio, you had to just go to a liquor store. But here, you can get it from anywhere.
Yep.
What's upstairs? Oh, we should say it is 6 o'clock on a Thursday night. I know people like to know what day we come out. July 11th. Thanks for the Facebook votes of where we were going tonight. We appreciate it.
Goes to fashion show. What is this? That's pretty cool looking at.
42 for adults, 32 for kids. Perfect. Thank you. Wanna look around?
Sure. What's it for?
It's like a superhero place.
Oh, you look at all their weapons and stuff.
Yeah. Fancy. Anyway, they have a bunch of memorabilia if you want to come in and look and buy some stuff.
So you guys can get to fashion show from here. And there's a little bit of Resort World.
So we just heard Treasure Island has free parking on their, they did it on their little ad as we were walking out.
Anyways, we got Richie's Subs over there. Sub shop.
Alright. We got a little slot world.
Yeah.
It says it's a small slot world. I can only say it's little.
Yeah. So it's like slot world.
So like we go through here.
She has to scream it. Got seafood over here. It's the Crab Shack. My Name is Earl reference. Anyways, that was pretty small.
Why do you only do it so it's like right here?
Oh, there's the whole dining room back in there.
Here's their buffet. Wow, that's pretty fancy.
I'm gonna go to the buffet.
Let's see, how much is it?
Dinner, 30 bucks per person.
Woo!
15 or 17 per child.
Whoa.
Cool.
Does that really happen in Breaking Bad? There's money in a washing machine?
He hides it everywhere, I think. I don't remember. I haven't watched it for years.
I haven't ever watched it.
Back to the Golden Circle
Yep.
Sports Bar.
Now it's y'all's favorite part where we show the roulette tables and all the craps. Oh.
Is that what they
Yep.
get excited about?
Yeah.
I think they get more excited about Slot World, but
Nah.
no?
It's the other things.
So craps at limit or minimum is $10.
Yep. There's high limits.
Yeah. There's 2 people in there playing.
Yep.
So the high limit is only $25.
That's not bad
Yeah.
compared to some high limits.
Now we got, what is this, blackjack? Yeah, here, let me see. $10
Whoa.
minimum. $10 minimum blackjack.
$10 minimum that one.
Roulette.
Yep.
$10 roulette.
She must be really good at her job.
I'm excited. The big wheel is $2 minimum. $10 minimum single deck blackjack. 21 plus 3. $15 minimum face up high poker. Is that it?
Yeah, we're getting earthquakes right now.
No, we're not.
I'm feeling them. Anyways, I think.
No.
Maybe. Oh well.
Say it, Paul.
Let's see, how big is this? It's a medium one.
It's like Slot World.
Yep. There you go, you said it.
You say it.
Yeah, I'll take a
Tell me the
pass.
tone I'm supposed to sing it at.
As deep as you can get your voice to go.
I don't have a deep voice.
Well, there you
I
go.
have a girly voice.
It's gonna be like Slot World.
Slot World.
No, that wasn't deep.
Is that better?
Well, there's Timberwolf's like richer
Oh,
brother.
Yeah.
Dang.
That's like, he ate Timberwolf for dinner.
Yeah. No wonder there's not that many left.
So they have the digital craps
The digital crap.
table.
Crap.
They had a roulette one too. I don't know where it went. What's this over here? Oh, 12.
Where are we going?
Depends what they have there. Let's go back through this slot world. There's a lot of slot machines in here.
Well, let's look at it. Oh, that's funny.
Time limit slots are right here in front of us.
Got an itch on my back.
Oh, there's a couple people in there playing.
Yep. 15 grand minimum.
How many rooms do you think Treasure Island has?
I think it has 3,800 and what?
You went way over. I was like, ooh, you're close.
Alright,
What is it?
2,884. So you were 1,000 over. We're cool little center bar here.
Yep.
Is this the breeze bar? Oh yeah.
Yep.
Chairs, huh?
No. There's a person on that one.
You guys, Colin just gave me the mom look. Like I was in trouble.
Well, there's like a person at that one, and you're like, hey, let me touch your hair.
Here's Blackjack.
Do you care if I touch your hair? You know.
Oh, there's a boat. There's a boat in there.
Faux show. I just.
Oh, the Players Club sign up is over there. We walked right past it. It's on the other side of this cool center bar, or breeze bar. Alright, so Treasure Island was built 25 years ago. Oh, opening date was 25 years ago.
Remodels have been a lot.
27. Their signature attractions, Gilly Saloon, the dance hall, and Barbecue Marvel Adventure Station.
They used to have a pirate show, but then they're like, screw that, we don't make money.
We're gonna rent out that space. If you want to watch Gilly's Craig and I, in our last Treasure Island video, I rode the bull and we ate at Gilly's. It was delicious.
Yep.
Oh, there's probably little games at the traps table now.
Yep. I don't know how to play that game. If you want.
21 will learn.
Yeah, me and my mom.
fun.
We'll do it together.
We have a few years.
Yep. I'll be
You
like,
guys have it on video that he's gonna hang out with me when he turns 21.
ah, crud. Yeah, I don't have that many open. Because, you know, it's a Thursday. They're getting ready.
We need to open another roulette table. There's a lot of people there.
Yeah.
Alright. So here's the outside of Senior Frog. This is where they have the bikini contest. Craig has a friend. She used to do it and win all the time. I mean,
Oh, they put in fountains.
oh, fancy.
The boat sank.
That was the one that always sank.
Yeah, but it's like officially sank now. Well,
Anyway, this is where they used to do the TI show. It was really cool. I'm kind of sad it's gone, but
yeah. Cannons would go like,
like that top up there, how it like would fall.
and how it looks all burnt over there.
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, we don't have video of it. Alright, well, let's see. Across the street, you got the Encore, the Win, Palazzo, and Venetian.
With their cranes. There's Gillies. You can see half naked people in there.
It smells really bad right here.
Yeah, well look at that. Hey, dead body.
Ew, hot. I hope not. Those people are like sitting there eating, and the window's open right there. You can smell it.
Doesn't smell too bad there.
Well, probably smells good inside at least.
Yep.
There's this margarita bar.
Yep, it's open.
Too bad I gotta work tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Black power.
You got a bridge to cross. And you want?
Nope.
There's probably a guy in there. He's like, who's trying to open my door?
It's the troll who lives under the bridge.
This isn't a bridge
Way
though.
into it. There's a bridge back by Gillies.
Thank you.
You.
Thank you.
That smells good right here.
Yep, and then back to this. Okay, well, so guys, that's been the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one.